Today we will learn how to use the React Carousel element, which creates a sliding effect that allows us to display different elements in the forms of slides. Very useful for displaying text and images on the page. To use it, we'll drag it from the element library onto the body of our page. When inserting the element, we can see that it offers different fields, among which we have the class name, where the name of the element class will be placed, thus allowing styles and functionalities to be applied. Width, where we can control the width of the element, which by default is 550 pixels. The height, where we can control the height of the element, which by default is 500 pixels. We can also see that the element offers different types of switches, each with a particular function. Autoplay will activate the autoplay. Arrows visible will allow us to make the arrows of the element always visible. Remove arrows will make the arrows disappear permanently, and remove indicators. React Carousel also provides some advanced properties, where we can find the following. OnChange. This is a piece of code that will be executed when the state of the element changes. Animation, which is the animation style of the carousel. By default, this value is in fade, but we can choose between this and slide. And last but not least, we can change the duration of the animations. By default, this value is 500 milliseconds. We save, build, and verify that the element is working.